Welcome to this explainer. You bought a super yacht to build wealth, but accidentally inherited a watery graveyard shift. By 2026, the luxury charter market hits $1.38 trillion. So let's seriously upgrade your operations. Tip 1. Strategic revenue optimization. Believe it or not, a fully booked calendar is actually a giant red flag. Slashing rates for high occupancy just invites damage. Elite governance means lower occupancy at premium rates for maximum profit. Establish ruthless rate floors. Seriously, let the yacht sit empty if the market won't meet your premium standard. Tip 2. Flawless itinerary logistics. It's time to ditch that dreaded laminated welcome binder for good. Instead, send a 12-page preference sheet, capturing everything from dietary needs to shoe sizes for the water toys. Never scramble on Yelp. You need a pre-vetted, vertically integrated vendor network to handle complex itineraries seamlessly. Tip 3. Curated concierge experiences. This is where we build the high-margin moments ultra-wealthy guests literally expect. Half of elite travelers bring pets. Offering gourmet pet menus or mobile spas are massive, high-margin upsell opportunities. Engineer a concierge-level sensory experience. Those memories become your marketing, driving completely price-insensitive repeat bookings. Moving to tip 4, absolute privacy and security. Look, high net worth guests demand total discretion above literally everything else. A basic keypad won't cut it. You need a privacy fortress with strictly NDA-bound staff and redacted identities. Pitch your privacy infrastructure before your amenities. Keep your high-profile guests completely anonymous and invisible to the public. Finally, tip 5, seamless professional governance. Here's how you manage a super yacht without completely burning yourself out. You've got to evolve from a frantic DIY host to an elite asset governor by leveraging proactive technology. Goodbye midnight panics. Let AI handle routine questions while thermal sensors predict engine failures before guests notice. Stop acting like a firefighter reacting to problems. Build an automated infrastructure to prevent failures entirely. Here's the truth. The ultimate status symbol isn't the super yacht itself. It's the time and freedom you reclaim. You can implement this yourself or partner with pros. So is your yacht a business or a liability?